Daddy, you want to hear some music? Hello? Hello, control tower. Hello, airport. Daddy, it kind of sounds like I'm a robot. Hello, hello.
It does sound like a robot, doesn't it?
But Daddy,
Yep.
can the airplane see us? The
When do they
control
see
tower?
us?
Can the people from the control tower can see us when we're super far?
Yeah. Yeah, they can see us from pretty far away.
Wow.
Look outside, man. You're flying in an airplane. Can you believe that?
I can't believe it.
Right?
Daddy, you fly crazy.
I'm not flying crazy.
Whoa. We are super high now.
You're right, we are.
As long as we stay together.
As long as we stay together. That's right.
Flight number
In 15 minutes. I know. We're getting close, man. You're going to get the most amazing view of downtown Winston-Salem.
Oh boy, it's kind of exciting.
This is super exciting, man.
It's getting more exciting. How can a bird fly this high?
They just can.
That's because I keep flapping it?
Yeah.
Dude. Dude.
Dude. Dude.
Dude. Here comes the airliner.
Looking right, looking left. There's Grandma and Grandpa.
Dad,
Yes.
can we order Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, or donuts?
You're
Yeah.
gonna order it for pickup?
Yeah.
Hey, can you see the city down there? Can you see it? Look out that window. Here,
I can see it.
look.
A cookie, ice cream, or a milkshake.
That sounds pretty darn good, man. Oh, nice. Maybe you can take a picture of you and me. Nice work, dude. That's gonna be a cool picture.
Daddy, look.
I love that, man. I'm gonna get that printed and framed. And you can take pictures of outside, too. Good job. You're flying it, dude. This is all you, man. No, you gotta hold it, man. You're flying the plane. You hold the yoke.
I want to straighten it out a little.
Yeah. There you go. That's perfect, man. Pull back a little bit.
That much?
Nope, too much.
Too much?
There we go. Right here is good.
Why are you not holding it?
Well, you're holding it, man. You're flying the plane, okay? You gotta keep an eye on things, okay?
Dad, I'm not the pilot. You're the pilot.
I know, but I need your help, okay?